Modern workplaces are facing a silent challenge. Employees are disengaged, overwhelmed, and stuck in cycles of unproductive routines. These routines are often shaped by defaults, not conscious choices. Without timely feedback, reinforcement, and recognition, motivation quickly fades. Despite the growing number of workplace apps and task managers, behaviors like focus, proactive collaboration, and sustained motivation remain difficult to cultivate. What's missing is not more tools, but a psychologically sound approach for solving workplace habit formation in a meaningful and lasting way. We introduce Momentum, a mobile app based on behavioral rewards that nudges employees toward better work habits through science-backed micro-behaviors. Momentum doesn't rely on willpower or reminders alone. It's built to embed habit change into the rhythm of work.
So, basically, this is our onboarding screen. We begin with a single Get Started button. This is simplicity, reduces decision fatigue, and uses the default bias to nudge users into action. The first one in forming a new habits. This is our second screen, Daily Habit Screen. Once inside, users receive bite-sized habit suggestions. These are designed using choice architecture, making the desired behaviors the most visible and easiest to act on, such as daily readings, morning workouts, hydrating well, and etc. On our second screen, we are moving to Rewards and Badges screen. Every action earns points and unlocks badges. This builds a positive feedback loop, rewarding progress in real time, and creates a sense of psychological ownership where users feel proud of what they have achieved and motivated to keep going. Who wants better than this? Our third screen goes for Social Kudos feed. Our Kudos feed builds a culture of appreciation. Using social proof and peer recognition, it turns a positive behavior into visible, shareable moments, reinforcing team spirit. You can thank your teammates, you can recognize them for their support, and it builds sense of social influence as well. Our next screen is the challenges screen. It is a weekly challenges screen which helps users to commit to goals individually or with teams. These act as a commitment devices, increasing accountability and the likelihood of follow-through, motivating employees to perform better and be part of that team leaderboard on screen. Our last screen in this prototype is the personal progress screen. Personal progress screen, Momentum tracks each user's strengths and daily consistency. This taps into loss aversion, the psychological pull to not break the chain, and strengthens behavior through the habit loop. Thank you.
Now that Mona has given you a fantastic glimpse of the Momentum app in action, let's dive into the science behind its design. I'm going to show you how we have incorporated behavioral psychology into actionable features in the app. So there is default nudges, which is like daily automatic habit suggestions leveraging the default bias and choice architecture principles. It makes it easier for users to start. And then we have used behavior logging by earning points for completing tasks, attending meetings, and more. We're using incentives and positive reinforcement to encourage consistent engagement. Streak tracking taps into loss aversions. Users don't want to break their streak, reinforcing consistent behavior. This also uses feedback loops. The app also utilizes badges, rewards, gamifications, and sense of ownership to tap into psychological attachment. Finally, the social kudos feed leverages social proof and norm activation. Seeing peers recognize, motivate others to participate, and reinforce positive behaviors. In here demonstrate how the Momentum app aligns with Maslow's hierarchy of needs. By addressing different levels of needs, the app ensures a holistic approach to motivation and engagement. Starting with belonging, our app fosters a sense of community. Features like kudos, feeds, and peer praise tap into social proof and norm activation. Moving to self-esteem, we offer motivation and rewards. Incentives, badges, and weekly challenges provide users with recognition and a sense of achievement, aligning with ownership and attachment. Finally, by providing daily nudges and micro behaviors, we tap into the default bias and help users stay on track towards growth.
Hi, so talking about the roadmap of the product. Momentum isn't just another productivity tool. It drives measurable results. First, it boosts focus and completion. By nudging small daily actions, employees build strong work habits that lead to higher output without being burned out. Second, it strengthens collaboration and morale. Peer recognition, challenges, and visible wins turn individual efforts into team momentum. Third, it helps reduce burnout and disengagement. Recognizing progress and reinforcing good habits supports well-being, which means lower turnover and absenteeism. And most importantly, it builds a culture of self-driven performance. Momentum doesn't manage people, it empowers them to manage themselves better. Small actions, big momentum, and real business impacts. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am excited to share why Momentum app is creative, original and practical in less than 90 seconds. First, Momentum is special because it uses simple psychology to help people build better work habits. It's not like regular productivity app that just tell you what to do. Instead, it uses small nudges, tiny actions and team support to make habits stick. This mix of science and user-friendly design makes Momentum a unique app. It focuses on both how people think and feel, creating a tool that is smart and caring. So what is original? Momentum fits right into your daily work, making it easy to stay focused and motivated. It's not just another app, it's a new way to grow habits that last. Secondly, it's feasible too. We can build the first version for the less than $30,000 using simple tools. It's not expensive. It works with platforms like Slack, Teams, so companies can start using it without big changes. Finally, it's flexible. Teams can set their own goals for focus, teamwork, or wellness, with fun features like badges and streaks. Inspired by apps like Duolingo, Momentum is easy to roll out and can grow with any business. It's creative, fresh, and totally doable.
Momentum targets key behavioral indicators that influence measurable business outcomes: up task completion and focus, up peer collaboration and morale, down burnout, absenteeism, and disengagement. These lead to stronger team dynamics, higher productivity, and the culture of continuous improvement. In conclusion, we want to say that Momentum is more just an app. It's a behavioral shift mechanism for the modern workplace. By embedding psychological insights into everyday micro-actions, Momentum turns intention into action, action into habit, and habit into a thriving work culture.